Today, we're exploring the UXMagic.ai platform, which is an AI tool that transforms text prompts, sketches, and screenshots into wireframes, UI designs, sitemaps, and code exports in seconds. It cuts design time by up to 70% for designers and teams, and in this video, I'll demo generating a full website. Let's get started. You can sign up for free at UXMagic.ai with no credit card required. The dashboard, as you can see, is super intuitive. You've got input prompts on the left, generate in the center, and preview on the right. So let's go ahead and create a new design here. What we're going to do is paste in our prompt, but we can see tons of examples of what other people have made. Our prompt is pasted in here. Design a mobile-first, character-driven portfolio website. We can say what it should signal. We can say the design philosophy here, first fold, 3D interaction, structure, and much more. Basically, we outline what we want the design to be, and the AI will do it for us. We've also got this high fidelity option, or just a basic wireframe. So let's pick high fidelity and go ahead and press this up arrow to start creating. So here we can see it's gone ahead and made some stuff for us. We can preview that in another tab and scroll through to see what we like and see what we don't like. Overall, I think this is fantastic straight off the bat. We can also go in and look at the code and change things if we want, if you're a little bit more tech savvy. We can add another design here as well, all in the same workspace, in which, yes, clone the Notion app with all functionalities, basically just clone what we've made in Notion. Here we can see everything that we've got here, and we can see it's fully editable as well. If we hit this edit button on the right, what we can do is actually go ahead and select a certain area and then prompt it to what we want. So we can change the layout here. We can go ahead and see that it's done that pretty much instantly. Next, we can go ahead and change text if we want to. So yes, we can change basically any part of the site all in this interface. Once we're happy, we hit save, and that has been changed. If we want to export it, we go to the export button, and we can do this in various different file types. We can also copy it to Figma, in which it's just one button clicked and it's gonna do it for us. Next, if we hit the desktop button, we can choose the aspect ratio we want. So we can check it out and see how it looks on a phone or on a PC or a Mac. In terms of a verdict from me, guys, I'm gonna say this is a 5 out of 5 for speed. It's ideal for prototypes, and you can also polish some more complex sites manually as well using their platform. Again, it's completely free to try, so go ahead and use the link below and let me know in the comments what you would like to generate. Leave a comment, leave a like, and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.